There's not many places you're going to get that view in this day and age. Dates from 1861 through to around 1890. Ashworths, which would later become masons, so early English ironstone, and the pattern is Chaffinch B9178, nicely picked out by the orange Ashworth decorators number here, with beautiful Hanley Ashworth crown and banner marks on every single one of these. Now, condition wise, considering the age, we are more allowing in what we will pass in terms of saleable items, and we have got some glaze cracks and crazing on these plates. You can see here around the inner rims these lateral little cracks that have appeared in the glaze over time, and that's down to the fact that the thermodynamics of the glaze coating is very different to the underlying ironstone that they use. So over time, it's not uncommon for you to get this micro crazing and linear cracks within the glaze. Now, are these going to be used heavily? I doubt it very much. These are collectors' English early ironstone with those Ashworth marks, and they're in absolutely fine antique collector's condition as a consequence. Would I put them through a dishwasher and use them daily? No, I wouldn't, because these enamels are quite soft and delicate, and for them to have survived in such a good condition for so long is incredible. These are display plates. Somebody's going to buy these for their display value. They're going to go on a dresser. They're going to come out for very occasional light use. And what beautiful examples this is of the type of Imari-esque and colour patterns that were being produced by Ashworths back in the 1860s. Absolutely beautiful. It's called Chaffinch because of this little fellow which appears on every single one. Not a particularly well painted example of that. Let's pick another one. There you go. Make that one out as a little russetly pink breasted bird. I just love this design. We've got the platters, we've got the dessert plates, we've got the dinner plates, and here are the side plates. I think they're going to be between 6.5 and 7 inch. Just let me get a tape measure. Here we go. Haven't actually listed these yet, so they're coming in at exactly 7 inch. Classic side plate size, and as you can see, to have the option to buy all 12. We are going to sell these individually separately for the replacement or collector's market. But if you're looking to put a fantastic dresser display, do have a look at these and some of the serveware that we've got in the dinner set that we're currently working our way through and listing, including the absolutely marvellous sauce and lidded serving tureens in this design. Absolutely gorgeous, period English ironstone transferware at its very best. Thanks for watching.